Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 3.3 V6 Cyclone engine is a naturally aspirated V6 that belongs to Ford's Cyclone engine family, succeeding older V6 families like the Essex, Vulcan, and original DURATEC. Introduced in 2018, it's primarily used as a base engine in vehicles like the Ford F-150 and Ford Police Interceptor utility, and also powers hybrid versions of the Ford Explorer. Overview and history. The 3.3 V6 is a downsized version of the DURATEC 35 3.5 and features both port fuel injection (PFI) and direct injection (DI), known as PFDI, along with twin independent variable cam timing (TVCD). It boasts a high compression ratio of 12:1, contributing to its efficiency. While the larger 3.5 Cyclone engine was used as the basis for EcoBoost turbocharged variants, the 3.3 remains naturally aspirated. Performance and opinions. Power. The 3.3 V6 produces around 290 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque, 285 horsepower and 260 lb-ft in the Police Interceptor utility. In the Ford Explorer hybrid, combined output with the electric motor is 318 horsepower and 322 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration. Opinions vary. Some drivers find it provides just the right acceleration and power to get the job done quickly, and that it rips and sounds really great when pinned. Others acknowledge it's not super fast, but definitely not slow, and may feel a bit underpowered when heavily loaded compared to V8 or EcoBoost options. Towing and hauling. It's considered a capable engine for general towing and hauling, with a maximum towing capacity of around 8,200 pounds in the F-150 when properly equipped. It's often favored by those who don't need the extreme power of higher-end engines, but still require decent utility. Ride quality. The engine, especially when paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, is noted for offering a smoother ride quality. Advantages. Reliability and durability. Many owners report positive experiences with reliability and longevity, particularly for daily driving and light to moderate work. It's seen as a simpler engine than turbocharged alternatives, which can lead to fewer potential complications. Fuel efficiency. The 3.3 V6 offers good fuel economy for a V6 in its class, especially compared to larger engines. Combined MPG for two WDF 150s is around 22 miles per gallon and 20 miles per gallon for 4WD. The Explorer hybrid with this engine achieves an impressive 28 combined MPG. Cost-effective. As a base engine, it often comes in more affordable trims, making it a budget-friendly option for those who don't need maximum power. Ease of maintenance. Its naturally aspirated design and relatively spacious engine bay can make maintenance and some repairs more accessible for the average mechanic or DIYer. No cylinder deactivation. Unlike some other modern V6 and V8 engines, e.g., the Coyote V8 in certain F-150 model years, the 3.3 V6 does not feature cylinder deactivation, which some believe contributes to better long-term durability by avoiding uneven wear and lubrication issues. Disadvantages. Power output. While adequate for most, it's not the most powerful option available and can feel a bit underpowered for heavy-duty towing or hauling, especially when compared to Ford's EcoBoost V6S or 5.0 LV8. 10-speed transmission pairing. Some users have expressed dissatisfaction with the 10-speed automatic transmission when paired with this engine, noting it can sometimes get caught up either holding gears too long or shifting abruptly. Older models with a 6-speed automatic are often praised for their reliability. Less popular for private sales. The 3.3 V6 is more commonly found in fleet vehicles and base trims, leading to less widespread feedback compared to more popular engine options. Common faults and breakdowns. While generally considered reliable, the 3.3 V6 Cyclone engine can experience some issues, often attributed to natural wear and tear, poor fuel quality, or inadequate maintenance. Cooling system failures can lead to overheating due to issues like leaking coolant, faulty radiators, or malfunctioning water pumps. The water pump in this engine family, DURATEC/Cyclone, is internal, making replacement potentially expensive. Fuel injector issues. Symptoms include rough idling, poor fuel economy, and engine misfires. Can be caused by clogged injectors or electrical issues. Exhaust system problems. Increased engine noise, reduced fuel efficiency, and the check engine light coming on can indicate issues like rusted or damaged components or catalytic converter problems. Variable valve timing, VVT, solenoid failures, affects engine performance and efficiency, leading to rough idling or decreased power, often linked to oil sludge buildup or electrical issues. Timing chain issues. Symptoms include a rattling noise from the engine and misfires. Can be caused by wear and tear, lack of maintenance, or low oil levels. Oil leaks, worn gaskets and seals, loose oil filters, or damaged oil pans can lead to oil leaks and low oil levels, potentially causing engine damage. Oil consumption. Some reports of unexpected oil consumption, possibly due to degrading piston rings or valve seals. Recalls. Several recalls have been issued for vehicles with the 3.3 V6, notably for 2020 to 2022 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor utility models due to a risk of engine failure and underhood fires, and certain 2024 Ford Explorer hybrids for a potential fire hazard with the 12-volt battery cable. Fuel consumption. Ford F-150 2WD around 19 mpg city/25 mpg highway/22 mpg combined. Ford F-150 4WD around 19 mpg city/23 mpg highway/20 mpg combined. Ford Explorer Hybrid around 28 mpg combined. Actual fuel economy can vary based on driving style, load, and vehicle configuration, e.g., cab size, axle ratio, tire type. Timing. The 3.3 V6 Cyclone engine uses a timing chain system, not a timing belt. Timing chains are generally designed to last the life of the engine and do not have a specific replacement interval like timing belts. However, issues with timing chains, such as wear and tear, tensioner failures, or stretch, can occur, especially with inadequate maintenance or low oil levels, and can manifest as rattling noises. Oil. Oil type. SAE 5W. 20 engine oil meeting Ford's WSS. M2C960. A 1 specification. For extremely cold climates, below -30 degrees Celsius or -22 degrees Fahrenheit, SAE 0W. 20 meeting WSS. M2C962. A 1 is recommended. Oil capacity, 6.0 quarts, 5.7 liters, with a filter change. Change interval. Ford typically recommends oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on driving conditions. Regular oil changes are crucial for preventing issues like oil sludge buildup, which can affect VVT solenoids and timing chain components. Versions. The 3.3 V6 Cyclone engine is primarily found in its naturally aspirated form. While the broader Cyclone family includes different displacements, 3.5, 3.7L, and can be found with turbocharging, EcoBoost variants based on the 3.5. The 3.3 itself is a specific naturally aspirated PFDI, port fuel direct injection, engine. It has been integrated into 2018 to 2023 Ford F-150 as the base engine, particularly in XL and XLT trims. 2020 present Ford Police Interceptor utility, a variant for police applications. 2020 present Ford Explorer Hybrid, paired with an electric motor for increased fuel efficiency and combined power output. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.